So hi guys, welcome to Mental Diet. Today let's learn a trick of 11. Let's suppose you have to multiply any digit by 11. So here's the formula. Let's suppose taking a 2-digit number. So A and B represent a 2-digit number. If we are multiplying 2-digit number by 11, so first of all we'll split the digits A and B, and in the middle we will write A plus B. If this A plus B, the sum of A plus B exceeds 9, then the next digit or the 10th digit will be carried on to the next A's and will be plus here, and A plus 1 would be the answer. Let's see some examples here. So first of all, taking an example of 23, multiplying 23 by 11, so I have split the digits first, 2 and 3. Then in the middle 2 plus 3 is the sum of the both the digits. Here comes the 253. Now taking another example, let's suppose 57 into 11 comes out to be, with first of all split the digit 5 here, 7 here. Now adding both the digits 5, 7. The sum comes out to be 12. Now here's only a place for a single digit. Now we'll write 2 here. Then this one would be carried to the next digit, plus 1. So the sum comes out to be 627. Fine. Now taking a 3-digit number. Let's suppose A, B, C is a 3-digit number. First of all we'll split the digit. The extreme ends digit would become here. A comes out to be here, and C for C. Now the next two digits, these are the single digit numbers. Now B plus C comes out to be the next number, and A plus B comes out to be the next number. Fine. Let's see an example. Taking this example, 253 into 11. So first of all we split the digits. The extreme ends, 2 comes here, 3 comes here. Now the sum of both the digits, 3 plus 5 comes out to be 8. 5 plus 2 comes out to be 7. So 253 into 11 comes out to be 2783. Taking another example, taking a big example, 879 into 11. Fine. First of all we'll split the digits 8 and 9. Now 9 plus 7 comes out to be 16. So 6 comes here, the next digit. 1 would be carried to the next addition. So 7 plus 8, 7 and 8 comes out to be 15, plus this one, plus 1 comes out to be 16. So 6 would be written here again, and this one, the 1 would be added to the next number, plus 1. So the answer comes out to be 9669. Hope you understood this. Now if you multiply any digit number or a 4-digit number, 5-digit number with 11, the formula remains the same. You have to first split the two digits, the extreme ends, and then you will add the digits correspondingly and you get the answer. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any doubts regarding this trick or any other trick, please write it in the comment section. Please do share my video, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel now, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for getting more updates. Thank you. See you soon.